Alright, welcome back to another video. Finally in the top 600,000. My goal is to get in the top 100,000. We'll get there. Picking numbers. Sequence equation, okay. Given a sequence where each integer is distinct, find any integer y such that okay, so wants an array. Oh no, they'll give a sample input 2, 3, 1. How did you get x equals... Oh, okay, because that's... Okay, so it's basically going to match. So for it's in range 0, length of p. So for every item in array p, it will keep going. How did you get this evaluates to p of 3? Oh. Oh, this is actually a really interesting and fun question. Wow, okay. So first, final array. So first we need to find how to get the original function. So let's just pretend you're trying to find the first iteration of doing function p. Okay, they don't give any logic. Well, I mean, they never have, so... Wow, I actually need to think about how to do this one. So, p of x... Okay, I think I kind of have a logic. So, it's going to be like something equals p of x. So like a equals p of x, and then b equals p of a. Okay, so I'm thinking we do a for loop for x in range. If can we define a variable inside? No, I don't need to put in the if loop. A equals 0 if so a, we want this to be p of x. Yeah. So if p of x because P3 is 1, right? Yeah. So if P of x equals x, then A gets overwritten with P of x. Yeah, because... Okay, so we do this for loop, and we get A. And then we have to do basically it all over again. So for x in range, for z in range, y in range, p of y equals x equals p of y. This will do z. So b equals p of a, that's the logic. B equals 0, but we want it to equal P of A. If PZ equals A, then B is going to equal P of Z. And then after both of these for loops, we're going to append variable b to the final array. Why is it saying my comments suck? Inline comment should start with that. No, it doesn't matter. Runtime error. None type object is not iterable. I guess I have to type fast. No response. Okay, so somehow my variable, because P of x is an array of integers. And I set this equal to 0 at the beginning. So if P of y equals x, so let's see why I'm getting this error. Variables A and B are being reset inappropriately. What does this mean? Because oh, B needs to be outside the for loop. That's what's it. Oh, okay, actually that makes a lot of sense. Let's try it. Still getting the same error. The variable b may not always be properly assigned in the inner loop. No, but there has to always be an answer because every number exists. I think I just coded the logic wrong. So for y in range, P of y equals x, A equals P of y. So now we have A. Right, so it runs through every item on the list. Yeah, and it appends. Turn final array. Right, because the return is why is it not letting me? Oh, it's outside it's outside the function. Oops. Nice. I actually have an output. Okay. It's like half correct. This is really weird. Yeah, I don't change anything in the. Yeah, P never gets changed. So let's look at number 1. So first, it checks every item in list P to see if it's equal to X. Oh, A shouldn't be P of Y. A should be Y. Oh. And this one doesn't even use the correct. Okay. Found a few errors. Okay, so I'm just trying this because no. Through 4, 1, 3, 5. Okay, my code is really off. All right. Okay, so the logic should be if A equals X, you want A, yeah. So if P of Y equals X, A should equal Y. Okay, let's just do it to append A. Let's see if it's ever doing 0. Oh, I think we might have to do y plus 1, right? Because the index... Okay. It's kind of coming together, and then let's change it to b. B equals z plus 1. Nope. Don't introduce new method. A equals y plus 1. For x in range 1. Oh, it's checking for 0. But 0 is not a valid number? Okay, because where's x used? If p of y equals x, p of y will never equal 0. Oh, so it will miss the last term. Because because it was unnecessarily running. It was unnecessarily running an extra iteration, so that's at 0. And then because of that shift, it's missing the last item in the row last item in the array every single time. And so that's always going to be wrong. Alright, good job, everyone. 69% there.